In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bulk photos to Google Drive from your computer in just a few minutes. If you're someone who loves capturing moments and wants to store everything securely, this is the perfect guide for you. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Now type Google Drive into the search bar. Once you've done that, simply click on the first link that appears in the search results or directly navigate to the URL drive google.com drive/quota. This will bring you to the Google Drive login page if you're not already logged in. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google credentials. Take a moment to do so. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with your Google Drive interface. This is where all the magic happens. Look towards the top left-hand corner of the screen where you'll notice a big plus new button on the sidebar. Give that a click. You'll now be presented with a couple of options. For those looking to upload individual files or just select a few, go ahead and choose File Upload. If you've organized your photos into a single folder and prefer to upload everything at once, select Folder Upload instead. Once you've made your selection, a file browser window from your computer will pop up. Here is where you'll navigate to the folder on your computer containing all of those precious photos. If you've selected File Upload, you can choose multiple photos by clicking on the first photo, then holding down the Shift key as you click on the last one. This will highlight all photos in between. Now, with your photos selected, it's time to upload. Go ahead and hit that Open or Upload button, and you'll see a progress indicator appearing at the bottom right corner of your screen. This gives you a real-time update as your photos make their way into the cloud. There's another method you might find easier, especially if you're trying to organize your files or folders simultaneously. Simply open a separate window on your computer to find the photos you want to upload. From there, you can click and drag the photos or even entire folders directly into the Google Drive window you have open. Once you release the mouse button, your upload will start immediately. Congratulations, you've just successfully uploaded your bulk photos to Google Drive. They're now safely stored and accessible from anywhere. With this simple process, you can ensure all your cherished memories are backed up and easily shareable. So go ahead and give this a try and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your photos are safely stored. Thank you for watching, and happy uploading.